Going na ko. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Pagsaba sa dira. Awa.
Doesn't really feel like Christmas now.
Sige, lumaban ka talaga dyan, sis. Hala, sige.
Share lang tayo eh.
Hindi mo panindigan.
Share na lang tayo. Wala ka nang magagawa mo. Ano
Go.
gusto mo?
Any. Basta nalay cheesecake. Ay, wala cheesecake.
Any, tapos...
Ay, pag-usik-usik na.
Oh my God! 500!
Wait lang, wala.
Ay, cookie butter na yan.
Okay, what a disaster.
First time.
So.
Okay, wait lang. Bayad yan.
Mabayad yan. Di ba gibilin ra?
It's a Merry Merry Christmas. It's the most beautiful time of year.
Look at her masterpiece.
The bad one.
Judge it. Rate
Hindi na siya-
it to... Unsa yung rate, ani?
Negative.
Dili, naman ay.
1. Nara, a good 1.
Kailangan na ako magpagupit o magpakulor, pero... Ate. Zoom kay siya.
Huh? Tama mo ba?
Hit it like, get it hot, make a bitch. It's a fam. Hit it like one Papa Bomb. Get it hot like Papa John. Make a bitch go on and on. It's a feminine non-alive. When I'm in the club, yeah, I'm living that. When I'm at the house, yeah, I'm living that. 365 party girl. Should we do it?
Okay, so we're back and hopefully hopefully I can have my session. Mag-say hi ka, ate. Hello! Bago kay ka lashes there. I love it. Pati kilay, ha? Fresh na fresh tayo ngayon. Sabi ka lang bumainit. It's so much fun. So, hi everyone. Wait lang, dapat pretty ko sa mani. Hi everyone, this is John.
Awkward
this is a very special day. Kaya I'm with my closest friends, Apple and Jago. So we're doing a how do I say this?
Ariyak na dyan niyo. Hindi dyan na siya nga nasa person. Hindi na siya nga.
Wala sa camera kayo.
Chika ka na. Wala sa kamang bar pa kayo na siya mastorya.
Okay, switch it up. Switch it up. Okay. So, naami ginabuhat karon. So, it's like pay it forward na feeding program na charity work. I don't know. Basta inani siya na nag-plan mi ni Apple and Jago na mag-pack of food, 100 pieces per 99 na lang siya.
Taste test.
Nag-taste test isa-isa kung lami ba. So, there's rice, there's water, there's chicken, tapos some biscuits as well. And then, we're gonna ikot-ikot Davao. Ikot-ikot na. Mag-iikot-ikot tayo sa Davao. Tapos maghahanap tayo ng bibigyan. Sino ba bibigyan natin?
Kanang duha?
Kanang duha.
Ay, dapat pa, special shout out to my sisters. It's December 27 ngayon. Tapos birthday nila and they helped out na mag-cook, mag-prepare. Happy birthday, Kamban! Ariyat dito kay kong ganina. Na-shy lang. Magkulang baloon. Saan nakapagsugod? Okay, gikapoy na akong kamot. Sige, gunit. Basta, I will just...
Itagan ka ni G, pero gikapoy na daw. Ang samang dyan.
Gikapoy kong forma sa rice. Kapoy kong backbone.
Ikapoy siya sa
Guys, 7 AM mi nag-start. Nahuman mi officially mga 11. Tapos 12 mi nakapasi. Kaya nag-lunch sa mi gamay. Tapos yun, nag-chika.
Nag-catch up lunch.
So, maghahanap na tayo ng mga people of the earth. Okay, bye! See you later!
Sorry na kag-nobo.
Ito, show it to us.
Ramen. Order lang po kayo.
Hatag daw isa.
Pwede po cash G. Cash G pang payment natin. Cash
Pamay,
G.
pa-screenshot.
Pa-screenshot.
Pa 1, 2, 3.
Hindi lang dalawa. 3! Order na.
Ting, 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 ting.
Click the yellow basket. Tsaka cash G lang yung payment natin ngayon.
Cash
okay?
G.
Cash G. Okay.
Energy.
Ready na. Okay, sold out na. Okay, screenshot. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
Okay, done. Thank you, this is Lord. Ano mo, yung order mo. Meron ka ng buy one, take one na Malkis tsaka jamming. Okay.
Sige, mangita na gurota. After 1 hour. At least na nami 2 over 99. More to go. Asa naman mo? Charot. Ulan man god. Ulan. Tay.
Tay! Nagkaon na mo? Kina-traffic na noon ko.
Gai ko biscuit kay na short na may biscuit dere. So, ask ko mga kasama ko, how was the experience?
Yes, from my experience. It's very kapoy, very lipong. As in, dahil nalipong kong tuyok-tuyok sa Davao. Pero lingaw na nangita mi sa mga people of the earth. It's very struggling.
People of the earth.
It's very struggle, but at the end of the day,
Nahurot man.
naubos po namin ang aming benta.
Yay!
Sold out!
Ding, 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 ding.
Okay, buy one, take one.
Naka-check out na, naka-check out.
Naka-check out na
Yellow
ako.
basket tayo ng jamming. Thank you kay Apple tsaka sa daddy.
Ano yung mukhang final interview?
Finally,
Very happy kasi naubos natin tsaka successful yung activity.
first, the very first. Yes.
4 years to come and hopefully yearly na to.
First and not the last. Okay. Oh, ikaw na po.
Ay, apil din.
Lain po. Kami na di ay ani.
Ano lang?
And it with the band. Oh. Ikaw may hyperacidity diha.
Sure or dagan kag nahitabo na dili na nako i-disclose.
Ano siya? Struggle siya kay need pa namo sila pangitaon.
Yes.
Mura sila nagtago kay nag-ulan.
Nag-ulan. Yeah, correct.
So struggle siya.
We went out 4:30 na ngayon. So it took us time jud na
So nag-tuyok-tuyok.
ma-release.
Mag-distribute.
Ma-distribute yung mga food.
Tuyok-tuyok gid ni na from downtown area to Buhangin to balik to downtown.
Yeah, pero ang spot talaga marami sila is San Pedro, Jacinto,
Yes.
ano pa ba? San Pedro
Yeah.
actually.
And then by next year,
Yes.
we plan to ano na lang.
Charity.
Charity. Para ano na, diretso na.
Yes.
Hopefully
Hindi siya
next
time
year,
consuming.
this will
Wala
be a
siyang
tradition na every year ganito ang aming
Set up.
pay it forward sa aming friendship sa
And also,
people of the earth.
Thankful
This is
and
our catch up.
grateful
Uy.
Yeah,
sa mga
catch up.
blessings nating natanggap.
Yes!
Diba?
Yes, thank you so much!
Mapapa-check out ka na lang.
Salamat kayo, Lord God. Tinuod lang, Jod. We survived 2024 with so much love,
Friendship.
friendship, and family tightness, bondness.
And OS-ness.
Basta yun, we're very thankful for this year. Hopefully, 2025, it will be so much more. Double, triple, lahat-lahat. And
Goodbye 2024.
Yes. And thank you 2024.
Ay,
And
wow.
see you
See you
2025.
25! Okay.